Let's convert this to rectangular form. So first thing we got to do is remember that z is equal to x plus yi. You got to plug that in for this z here. So you will say x plus yi plus 2 equals 4. Just replacing z with its equivalent. Alright, then we can regroup with the x and the 2 together because those make up the real part, and you can keep the y and the I separate. And then this is equal to 4. From here, the vertical bars around the expression tell you to do the modulus. So you can do the square root of the real part, which is x plus quantity squared, plus just the y here without the I, quantity squared, is equal to 4. Now you gotta get rid of the root symbol. So you can take the square root on both sides and just square root of, again, x plus 2, the real part, squared, plus y squared. This whole thing has to be squared like that. Pause the video if you have to look at that expression. And it's equal to 4 squared. Alright, now this 2 here will cancel with the root bar. So you're just left with x plus 2 quantity squared plus y squared equals, if you want, you can write 16, but it's not really useful here. Just leave it as 4 squared because it shows us it's a circle. It's a circle because the coefficient on x plus 2 is 1, the coefficient on y squared is 1, and this r is the radius of the circle, the 4. You want to see it for that reason. Sometimes it helps if you write it this way, x minus negative 2, because this is the x-coordinate of the center, squared. And you can do it this way because 2 negatives make a positive, plus y minus 0, that's the y-coordinate of the center. You want to see it that way, even if you don't write it. And this is equal to 4 squared. Now we know this is a circle. The center C is negative 2 comma 0, and the radius is 4. So that's how you could now make a picture of the object.